today we're going to be going over how to mount your Stampinator to the all-electric Anatol Volt S. Obviously, it's going to slide in just like a screen. The main thing is getting your width between this point and this point to about 24 inches, and that's going to allow you to slide that in there. And then just remember that you're not going to clamp down on the black part. We're going by this, so just scoot it all the way in and you should be fine. You can make this wider. If you can't fit it in, you can make this wider to bring it out to 24 inches by undoing these, and this whole side piece will slide in or out. If you actually need to bring them out further than it allows, underneath you can see there are two spots where you can just use a simple Allen wrench, and that will allow you to pull this out further. In terms of leveling and spacing, you will need to probably play around. If you have a 1 foot level, that'll help to get level from side to side, front to back, and so on and so forth. I found that for myself, if you go underneath here, a good measurement from the top of your pallet to the bottom of your Stampinator is roughly 1.25 inches and maybe a little bit more. But of course, that all depends on your settings inside the Anatol press.